Today is the sixth day. The time right now is 6:29 a.m. Yeah, I did wake up a bit early because for the past few days, permits and so many things just messed up the situation. They were still sleeping. I'll get up pretty soon, freshen up, just hit the road. There are lots to see and lots to enjoy today. That's about it. It's around 7:30 a.m. So we're going out for breakfast. Come along.
Before we let it go to rest, it's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest. In this story, in this story.
Okay, so one of the reasons why I love this hotel is the presence of room heaters everywhere. So indoors is always warm. I'm almost packed up and ready. I'll just get onto the road after I have my breakfast. So we have started from our hotel at around 10:30. Late तो होना ही है, मतलब that's nothing new. We are used to getting late now. And yeah, we are now heading to the Punakha Dzong, which is supposed to be the best Dzong in whole of Bhutan. So let's visit this wonderful Dzong. Today is going to be a pretty interesting day. Look at that wonderful river. I don't know what river is that showing there. The color is wonderful. Little bit of a bluish tinge of on that water. Ooh, look at that. Awesome, right? It's not the Dzong, I guess. Is it the Dzong? The building looks awesome. Oh, look at that small little bridge, walking bridge. It connects from this part of the building to that part. And that one looks so cool. This is, I can't read what it is. It seems to be some pretty good place. Such a flowing river by the side of the road reminds me about Tista in Sikkim, because Tista river goes by the side of the road for a long time. And here also, I don't know the name of the river, but let me see if it's there in maps. And here we cross the river. I love these types of bridges. I love these types of bridges. I love these types of bridges. So that was actually the Dzong only. We were on the other side of the river. This is the Punakha Dzong, my friends. So
finally I'm
This one is
in front of the Punakha Dzong. पिछले 2 दिन से ज़्यादा कुछ घूम नहीं पाया मैं, तो Dzong मेरे पीछे जैसे देख सकते हो आप, that right there is the walking bridge. So you can also park your bike or park your car on that side of the road and then walk down here to the Dzong. Dzong का walking bridge आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है. Let's try and go to center of the river as much as I can. It will be fun. Tong 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 tong. Fuck. कहाँ से जाएं? जले पादिले चापा छे. Ow ow ow! The rocks are shaking, shaking, shaky rocks. I need a few stable rocks to put my feet on. Else मुश्किल हो सकता. नहीं, यही ठीक है. चलो अभी ऊपर चलते हैं and then we'll see some shots from inside the Dzong. Must be very beautiful inside also. So it's a wonderful place, isn't it? I mean, so serene, calm, and those fishes down the water that I showed you. Overall, everything is amazing. But I haven't yet gone inside the Dzong. We have to book the tickets. It's 300 per head. So I've just booked mine, and Debarga is also coming. The others have also followed. They are also already inside the Dzong. So let's go. Okay, I hope you enjoyed all the hyperlapses because videography is not allowed inside, but you can click photos. So I did click photos. I could not vlog inside, but inside it is beautiful. And now that Punakha Dzong is complete, that ends the trip to Punakha because this is the best place in Punakha that you can visit. There are a lot more places, but then we do not have that much of time to spend in Punakha, like 2 or 3 days. So we just visited the best place, that is the Punakha Dzong, and there is the longest walking bridge of Bhutan, which is around 500 meters away from this place. So we'll go there and check it out too. Let's ride. देखो बंदे कितने मजे में हैं. We enjoyed the Punakha Dzong. It's a wonderful place, quaint and serene. And now we are heading towards the walking bridge. The longest walking bridge of Bhutan is supposed to be around 500 meters away from this Punakha Dzong. So yeah, we are going towards that place. We could have walked, but then we have to come back, so we are taking our motorcycles. We'll take a few photographs there. That's about it, and then head towards Thimphu, Buddha Tour. हम लोग walking bridge पे bike लेके नहीं जाने वाले हैं, but just we are now trying to find the way to the walking bridge, and there we'll park our bikes, take a short walk, and come back. Our bikes are parked right here. You can also see the Dzong from here. So it's around 500 meters away from the Punakha Dzong, and we'll be just walking through this place. We cannot take the bikes any further because of this barbed wire. So let's go. Not too safe, but it's fine. Today's day is completely fruitful. I mean, the past 2 days we have been fighting with permits, reaching from one place to another, waking up in time, getting ready and starting, but today was the perfect day. No motorcycle problems, no problem with anyone, no packing problems, no permit issues. Yeah, so there after this walking bridge we are going to Thimphu, because from Punakha we'll be crossing Thimphu and going to Paro. So in Thimphu we are going to the Buddha Tour, which is the Buddha point. That's about it. Let's go.
We can do the final hour before we let it go to rest.